This is Ōhaeawai, the original Ōhaeawai. Ōhaeawai now is, 7 k's down the road, and at the junction of State Highway 12 and State Highway 1. But Ōhaeawai's here.
So I came to this school as a student in 1960, and my whānau home is just one paddock away. All of this whenua come from my great-grandfather, who was Hita Te Hara, and he was a rangatira for our hapu. For me, it's about realising my parents' and my grandparents' and my great-grandparents' dreams. Mum used to always say to us, gosh, I wish we could do our church up and our poor old school and Mum used to look up there at the farm, because that farm belonged to, her grandfather. Says, oh, geez, I wish I had a tractor. Don't ask me what she was going to do with the tractor. But, this was her dream, for everything to be done, And it wasn't done then because they never had access to funding like there is nowadays. So, to be given that opportunity to do up the whole 3 sites was massive.
What's happening, I think, has always been aspirational. Hard to be aspirational, though, when you know that you're trying to do it off the smell of an oily rag. The funding side of it has been huge because we have been able to realise, some of those dreams and of what it could be.
Hand on my heart, I don't think in my lifetime this would have got done without the contribution from the government. We wouldn't have got it done. We would have been selling raffles from here to Africa.
This is the start, we don't see it as the end, that's for sure, We want to keep growing it, keep evolving it, and if it eventually there's an opportunity for it to provide paid work for whānau, all the better. But I think the intention more is for us to tell our story.